Hello, Leslie here with a plan with me in my vertical happy planner. We are doing the week of August 30th through September 5th. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I'm ready for September, but I am ready for the 3-day weekend that follows this Sunday right here. So we're going to be using squad goals. This is from 2019. I can't remember where I got this or if this was gifted to me. I'm not sure. I know this like add-on was gifted to me from Carla, so shout out to Carla. I brought it just in case I wanted it because it has some smaller sizes of stickers. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to focus on the office kind of girls. That's what I'm calling them. I don't know. I don't know the names. Okay, so I think this big sticker, this big one, is going to go first. I know I'm kind of behind in planning for sure. I'm only able to film one video a night. I think I mentioned that. I'm not sure. Because my phone gets too hot. So, because I'm still filming on my phone. So there's that. Okay, that is snazzy. Love it. Okay, and then, I don't know. Can I just use these as deco? I don't have a coffee date, but you guys want to be my coffee date? Okay. The other ones I wanted to use, I did white out this little box with my highly recommended, the Signo Uniball pin. I was able to find mine individually for sale at Michael's, in case you wanted to know. All right, the other one I wanted to use was these ones. I think I want this girl right here. And then I was trying to see which girl they didn't really like feature too much. Like I have this one here. She's also over here. Ah, well. And then I think she's going to be busy. Like, you know how people like stand over in the corner because they're taking a phone call? That's her. She's busy over in the corner taking a phone call. And then I don't want both girls to be on the phone. I feel like that's the same girl, just with a different hair. I think we'll go with this one. She's got a coffee. She's headed to run her weekly errands, I guess. So we're going to put these two girls here together. I think that'll be good for the corner there. And then I did want a fun weekend sticker. It says, bring on the weekend. I thought that one would be good. Just because it's going to be, I don't know if it's the best weekend ever. Like, I feel like I never know. So why would I put that down? I don't know. Okay, let's put that one up here. Yes. Okay. So my student teacher is actually going to start teaching for me this week. I'm excited about that. I think he's excited about it too, so that's helpful. I think so. All right, I'm going to go ahead and grab these little scallopy doos. Yep, that's their official name, scallopy doos. I think 2 will get me there. I need to cover up this little line of a gap. I'm hoping it covers up the line there. I think it will. Yay, scallopy doos. Love it. Me and my nicknames for stickers. Okay, I'm liking that. Snazzy. Snazzy. Okay, enjoying it. I think I want to put some deco here. I'm just not sure what just yet. So let's go ahead and grab some functional-ish stuff. Yeah, some ish stuff. I don't know about coffee date, boss babe. Those are not functional. Girl, get your functionals. Okay. I like the plan on it. Plan for today. Those are cute. I like the plan for today. And there is note to self. That one's fun too. Okay. I like this one. Plan for today. We're going to put this in the corner here. I like that. And then I want to grab some of these to do stickers. I think the pink clipboard. Let's grab the pink clipboard. And then we are not grabbing that girl again. Boy, they really like her. They put her on every sticker. Okay, we do not have Blondie with the gaucho pants. You guys like my nicknames for things? We do not have Blondie with gaucho pants, so we need her. Okay, let's stick this one here. I love the clipboard look. That's adorable. Okay, and then we'll stick this one. Where do I want this? Down here? That might be good. Put a box down here. Oop, why are you so crooked? Hey, that color matches my header color. Or the line header color. That's awesome. Okay, there is a double box, but I'm not going to deal with that. Checklist, let's grab some checklists. We'll throw a pink one. You guys know I love my pink. We'll put that one here, I guess, because I feel like if I put it here, will it still fit with the scallop there? Kind of, sort of. If I go like this, maybe? Doesn't matter. Okay, let's put this one here. And then, ooh, see, it covered up the scallop a little bit. I'm not having that. I like the scallop more than I like the checklist. I liked how that looked going across. Donk, donk, there. Got it. Okay, then we need one of these like beigey tan ones. That's a color name, beigey tan. Look it up. Just kidding, don't. It's probably wrong. Okay, we'll stick this one here. I like the non-overwhelmingness of only having 4 things. The 4 dots, that's kind of nice. Okay, so there's a don't forget sticker, a to-do sticker. Let's grab this today sticker and stick that across here like that. Snazzy. That's probably how you're supposed to do it. I've never used it the way you're supposed to do it. All right, and then we have this checklist. This one right here. I think we need decorations here. We already have a to-do list there. Let's put this one here. Put that one across. I'm not using my tweezers. Look at that. Straighten everything. Okay, grab one of those yellow to-do things. Let's grab a yellow to-do thing. That works. That works. And then, let's see. Maybe we want to remember things. Do we want to remember? I like that. I like the remember. I want to use it. Okay, and then we will have, there isn't any to buy stickers. There's some planner stickers and busy girl boss stickers. I said I wanted to decorate this box. Should we make our own box? Here, we'll put this one right here. Remember. Okay. I know I'm going to be using this planner and computer. Oh, there's even some glasses. That's so cute. Okay, we're going to put this right here. We're going to make our own full box. We're going to snip. Should I snip it a little bit? Snip, snap. Snap, snap. Cut that about there. Okay. And put this up here. Ooh, why? Can't do that. Come on. I cut it straight. I just have to stick it on there straight. Okay, we got that. And then a cup of coffee or a cup of tea? What you think? Some glasses? Should we throw some glasses in there and cut these off? How about that? I just broke the glasses. I broke them. Man, broken glasses are the worst. I had scratch glasses for a while because I had just gotten them. You know, that's when that happens. That's when that happens. We need some of this beigeness. Okay, we'll snip this on this corner. I just have a glittery phone case. What phone case do you have? Mine's just glitter. Ooh, I need to cut some more off of that or else it's not going to fit. Snip, snip. I was like, oop. It's not fitting. There we go. Look, we made our own full box. Cute. Okay, so we did that there. And then as far as like decorative full boxes for this one, there's not a lot because there's that one. And then these are all like the double. That's why I was like, oh, do I just grab another girl? I guess so. I don't want like different sizes of girls. That wasn't what I was thinking. But there's different like flowers. See, those girls are all tiny. Tiny girls. Tiny girls. There's some more coffee. Should we build another box? I have enough deco. Because I don't think, here, we got some circles. There's a decorative circle there. That could be fun. And then there's some flags and noted. I like the noted sticker. And the today sticker. Those are cute. Let's grab those. Grab me some of those. All right. Noted. Let's put that here. And then today sticker. Put that over there. Okay, and then we're probably going to cut this up. I'm going to cut this in halvesies. Going this way. Ooh, why? Okay, give me that. All right, so we're gonna decorate, I think, this box. That'll look too close to that one. So we'll put this here. And then we'll put this one. Is there another box we need to decorate? I don't really want to decorate this area. I need to figure out something to do with that area, but I wasn't going to decorate it. Here, we'll do this one. Even though it's like right next to each other. It's fine. All right, we got some scissors. You want some scissors? Of course. A coffee. Put a coffee in this one. Grab those. Okay. We do have a note to self sticker. I think that would be cute over here. Put that down. And then there's a jotted down sticker. It's gold foiled. I could put it here. That's cute. And then we do have some more of these little dots. I could use these. Let's see. That is pink. I feel like I need to bring in some of these tones. Here, we'll grab 3 of these. How about that? How about that? I don't care that they're different. That doesn't bother me. I like them that they're the same color. Okay, there's those. Nice. Okay, and then we could do some blue dots. Like just a couple over here. We'll do a star and a heart. That looks good. And then I needed more deco, didn't I? Okay, what did I not use? I didn't use any of the coffees there. So we could put some coffee here. How about this teacup? Nope, this one. We'll use this tea. And then the planner again or another phone? I like this blue phone. Let's cut it up. Let's cut up the blue phone. Chunk. Ooh, another piece of a glasses got stuck to it. That was not planned. It was stuck to my scissors. Oh, struggle bus. Okay. Give me that. Are you really going to take that forever? I'm tough. It's fine. You guys are fighting it with me, right? Fighting for me? Okay. I don't want the little tiny piece of the glasses. Okay, I do like the laptop, though. That's adorable. But I feel like I need something here. I might put some washi tape down or something. How about that? Glasses again. Coffee. I guess we'll do glasses again. That one was fun. Here, we'll do one where I can use it twice. Does that look funny? Does that look like not glasses now? I don't know. Kind of does. Kind of doesn't. Not super in love with it, but it's there. Okay, there's that one. Ooh, I hate that. That still looks like glasses because the nose bridge is there. But this one doesn't. Get it off my page. Get it off my page. There we go. That was terrible. That was something terrible. See, that's what I was saying about how I was like, I'm probably going to need this deco here. Okay, so which flowers are the flowers that go with this one? I think it's these ones. That's what I'm going to use. We're going to add some flowers. See, there was a reason that I needed this. There we go. Got some flowers. Flowers for everybody. Here, we'll do some flowers here. Like a corner. And then we'll do a corner of flowers down here. And that'll kind of seal off that box. I like it. I like it so much. Okay. And then I did grab some washi tape. So let's grab a smattering of that, shall we? Okay. I don't remember where this washi tape is from. I just remember liking it and going, this is coming home with me. Okay, so we're going to use a chunk down here. Where's my cutter? There it is. This was all in one too, what I'm using. It's gorgeous. I will say that's all rose gold, so I'm going to try to avoid those ones because it's definitely gold. The vibe is very gold, so I don't want to use the rose gold. I feel like all the other ones have rose gold in them. Does it matter? I guess not. Okay. I think I'm going to use this pink scallop somewhere. How cute is that? Or is it too peachy? I think it's too peachy. I think you're right. Okay, let's grab this and stick it over here too. We're just going to grab a chunk. Stick that there. Like that. And then tear it at an angle. Are we a fan of that? I don't know if it's going to let me. We'll see. Nope. So we cut it. There. That works. I have stickers all over me. 1, 2, 3. 3? I have 3 stickers. That's not bad. That's not so terrible. It's really not. Okay, we have flowers over here. We need flowers over here. That's only fair. It's the only fair way to do it. Okay. That is cute. I like that a lot. Glad I had this one. Thank you. Thank you, Carla. Okay, as far as the other washi tape goes, I don't foresee any place I really need it, although I really like this one. This one's a definite fave. It's a fave. Can I grab it and put it up here a little bit? Just a little bit. Where's the washi cutter? There it is. Okay, we're going to grab that and stick it to there. I like it. Grab a little chunk here. Why not? Cut that there. So then we have some on both sides. Because I heard one of you really like that. One of you like it. Alright, I think that's good. I did want to divide. I was going to put a to buy here. Because I was going to do dinners. Like my Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, blah, blah. So I'm going to put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then I was going to put to buy. There wasn't like a blank header. So should I use... Ooh, there was that scallop. Let's grab that scallop. Let's grab this... The peach or the yellow? Let's grab that yellow. Here, we'll use this right here to kind of like line this out. We'll go all the way across. Ooh, cute. Okay, and then we'll write to buy. Okay. So then we have a little bit of a grocery list there. That's adorable. Okay, I think that's it. I think that's how my spread's going to look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. They're holding tote bags. So I'm going to hold a tote bag. And then she's got coffee. We're going to pretend it's pumpkin spice because that's what people are doing already. This is from a budget clip set from like Rainy Day April. Here's my juniper palm. Love that. And then we'll just put this big old bow here. I think that'll be cute. All right, let's pop this into the planner. Let's pop it in. Pop it into the planner. Let's go. Okay, and that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me. Sorry it was up a little bit late, but still got it done in time because it is Sunday night for me. So I hope you guys have an awesome week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!